In this antiderivative, what we're going to do is, again, a substitution. If you look on the bottom line, you have in brackets 1 minus 2x, and it is all squared. So what we're going to use for our change of variable here is we're going to let u equal 1 minus 2x. Now we're going to rearrange this. If I rearrange this, what I get is 2x is equal to 1 minus u. If you look on the top line, it has 2x there. I could have solved for x and then multiplied through by 2, but that's making more work than needs be. The other thing I need to get involved in here will be a derivative of u with respect to x, du dx. Du dx is the derivative of 1 minus 2x with respect to x, which is minus 2. So, what we're going to do now is start our substitution. On the top line we have 2x. 2x is 1 minus u. So we're going to have 1 minus u plus 1. On our bottom line, we've got 1 minus 2x. So we're going to substitute u, where the 1 minus 2x is on the bottom line, which will give us u squared dx. Okay. At this point of time, we have du dx equals minus 2. So if I divide both sides by minus 2, what I get is minus 1/2 du dx is equal to 1. Looking at my integral, on the top line, I've got 1 minus u plus 1. That will come to 2 minus u. On the bottom line, I have u squared. What we're going to do to get a du dx in there to cancel with the dx is, again, we're multiplying by 1. 1 we know is equal to minus 1/2 du dx. So I've got 2 minus u on u squared times minus 1/2 du dx, which is 1, dx. Again, in effect, the dx's have cancelled. I'm going to take the minus 1/2 outside the integral sign. Inside the integral sign now I have 2 minus u on u squared du. That gives me minus 1/2 integral 2 over u squared minus u over u squared du. That gives me minus 1/2 integral 2u to the negative 2 minus 1 over u du. So, minus 1/2, if we anti-differentiate 2u to the minus 2, add 1 to the index power, giving us minus 1, and we divide by minus 1. Minus, the antiderivative of 1 is log e to the modulus of u plus c. Now remember, In specialist maths, the integral of 1 on x dx is log e, the modulus of x plus c, whereas in maths methods, you are not using the modulus sign. So in maths methods, you'd get a slightly different answer. So we have minus 1/2 times negative 2 over u minus log e of the modulus of u plus c. Expanding our brackets, minus 1/2 times minus 2 on u is 1 over u. A minus 1/2 times a minus 1 becomes plus 1/2 log e of the modulus of u plus c. We've now got an answer in terms of u. We want to get our answer in terms of x. U was equal to 1 minus 2x. So we're now going to replace u with 1 minus 2x. So we get 1 over 1 minus 2x plus 1/2 log e of the modulus of 1 minus 2x plus c. Now be very careful on being reliant on your calculator. If you look at log e of the modulus of 1 minus 2x, what your calculator will always do is make the 2x positive. So what it does is it does log e of the modulus of, now it takes minus 1 out as a factor, minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So log e of, now the modulus of minus 1 is 1. So that just leaves me with the modulus of 2x minus 1. So be aware, working something out by hand may give you a slightly different answer to what your calculator will give you.